Hi everyone, this is Rishabh from iRange and this is my small little pitch. The video is inverted maybe to make it a tad bit more interesting or different to watch. I'll divide it into three parts. The idea, the history and our future vision. The idea. iRange is creating sharing communities in trustable networks like schools, colleges, corporates, housing societies, cultural organizations for sharing our spare stuff, like books, electronics, sports goods, fitness, fashion equipment, stuff. And the usual stuff we all need. And the thing is that we want to fulfill a philosophy of getting people access to goods they can't afford and reducing wasteful consumption. For this, we have also tied up with renting companies or listing all their products, creating it a marketplace of sorts, and NGOs who are telling us what people actually need on ground. To make it a holistic system from the extreme rich to the urban poor, makes it a first of its kind in India, this system. And it functionality, how it works is very simple. It's infographics, we provide security deposit, legal assistance, logistics support, verification. You can check out the website for that. So, second part, the history. So basically, I was in Poland on an internship. I heard the social movement zeitgeist. We wanted to solve issues of war, poverty, corruption through amazing new technologies. And I got excited, and it was trying to solve finance also and address religion. So we campaigned in JNU, in Stephens. We thought we'd do something tangible, like start a sharing community in JNU, but somehow it didn't really work out. So I went for a master's abroad, and I apparently dropped out again. And what happened that after I met Vardhaman, my co-founder, and he used to work at Goldman Sachs. So we tried to combine renting and sharing together, giving a business angle as well. So iRange was born 6 months ago, and we got good publicity in newspaper, radio, in publicity forums, the usual ones online, and people were sharing books and stuff. They were renting out expensive stuff, plasmas, computers, cameras, and we like the idea, but we want to take it to the next level. We want to share in our networks, trustable networks. So help us do that. Nimit from IT Rookie told us about that. So we try to work in that direction now. So finally, by Jan end, we are launching sharing communities in IIT Delhi, in JNU. We've spoken to ISEC as well. We've spoken to major corporates, schools, housing societies, and everybody's kicked about this. Now, this idea is catching up globally a lot. We want to spread it around in networks in India. It can be a great product and we can solve so many problems. And we also want to take it at an international level. So help us reach out, help us take it to that level, and just help us make the world a better place.